Welcome to Wildcat Weekly. I'm your host, Dylan Dirkles. Today's show includes some funny skits and a preview of our bowling team who is going to state soon. I'm here to give you news, weather, and sports. Taking a look around Jasper High School, the academic team competed at Oakland City University on February 7th. Haley Hallett placed first in English grammar, Carson Book placed second in both biology and chemistry, Jack Britton placed second in world geography, and Sam Kraft placed third in American history. Along with these individuals' success, the team won third place and took home a trophy. Congratulations to the JHS academic team. It is not too late to join the academic team as they will be meeting every Monday during homeroom in room 208. The topic this year is the 80s and 90s. Students can choose to study English, fine arts, social studies, science, or math. Student council is a huge part of what goes on behind the scenes at Jasper High School. There are class officer petitions going out now for those who want to run. The petitions are due at the end of the school day on March 1st. You can talk to Ms. Ferguson for more information. Today in Jasper, it's around 50 degrees and partly cloudy. There's a high of 57 and a low of 31. The sun will start to shine at 3 up until 6 tonight. Heading over to sports, the boys swim prelims will be tonight at 6:30, and then sectionals will be on Saturday at 2 p.m. As well, the boys dive prelims will be on Saturday at 10 a.m. Freshman boys basketball won last night in the sectional semifinal and will head to the sectional tournament championship game tonight at 6:30 against Evansville North. Varsity boys basketball plays the first of their final two games tomorrow night at Pike Central at 7:30. Then the following week, Thursday, which is senior night, at home against Bedford North Lawrence. Let's go to Grant Seibert for information regarding another state qualifying team.
The Jasper bowling team has been striking it up all year, and they hope to continue this success this Saturday at the state tournament in Anderson, Indiana. The team is led by senior Jordan Burnett and their coaches Scott Cotterman and Shane Fendel.
I think we need to stay positive throughout the whole event, hold each other up, make up spares.
Despite all of their challenges, they finished their regular season at a perfect 10-0 record and won at both the sectional and regional tournaments. Coach Cotterman and Coach Fendel are both looking forward to a chance to bring the state championship back to Jasper for the first time since 2016. Coach Cotterman believes that if the boys want a chance at winning state, their team needs to be electrified and ready to bowl. Freshman Todd Dick plays this role perfectly and plays a vital part to the bowling team.
As a freshman, it feels good as my first year going into state. I don't care if we bring home that trophy or not. I would really like to, but being just there is a good accomplishment.
Hello there, Wildcat Weekly. President George Washington here. In honor of President's Day coming up on February 19th, we decided to go interview two of our history teachers here at the high school. We are going to be asking them presidential trivia and seeing which one knows the most. Who do you think's gonna win, Mr. Gable or Mr. Gobert? All right, your first question: which president was the
Ben Franklin.
Which president was the first to have a rescue dog while in office?
A rescue dog. Joe Biden.
You got it.
There you go.
There you go.
Second question: which
Ben
president?
Franklin.
Which president began his second inaugural address with the words, "With malice towards none, with charity for all"?
That would be,
Wasn't Abe Lincoln, was
that
it?
would be some guy named Abe Lincoln.
Yeah.
Couldn't have
Abe
been.
Lincoln, got it.
Mr. Gover got it.
You
We
got
got
it
it
too.
together.
Who was
Ben
the
Franklin.
Who was the shortest president at 5'4" tall?
John Adams.
No.
I'm going with James Madison.
Yeah,
James
James
Madison.
Madison. He got it.
Oh my God.
Which president
I
is
agree.
in the Wrestling Hall of Fame?
The Wrestling Hall of Fame.
I would think Donald Trump without giving it any thought whatsoever.
He was probably the greatest wrestler ever.
Yeah. Is Jesse Ventura, has he been president yet? No.
Who was a wrestler? Gerald Ford was a football player.
It's got to be Abe Lincoln again.
It's Abe Lincoln.
Yeah.
How's he in the
Because
wrestling?
he wrestled, what was he, 165-1 or something?
He had to be. He
Right.
had to wrestle to be head of his.
He got beat
regiment
by
in the
K.
Black Hawk
Steph's
Wars. He did.
great aunt.
Whose presidency was only 31 days long?
Could he have given a
William
speech?
Henry Harrison.
There you go.
There you go. This one's for you.
Okay.
Baseball is considered America's
I knew that.
pastime, and it was decades. And for decades, it was common for a president to throw out the first pitch at the former Griffith Stadium in Washington, D.C. Who was the first president to throw the first pitch at a
See, I was going to go with William Howard Taft because I thought you were going with the seventh inning stretch.
It is William Howard Taft.
Okay, but did you ever hear the story of the seventh inning
I
stretch?
did not.
He's a big man, right?
Mm-hmm.
Was then. I don't know if he is now. He got up in the middle of the game after
at 7 innings, he got up, so everybody at the game thought he was going to leave, so they all got up out of respect, and he sat back down, and ever since we've had the 7th inning stretch. Try that basketball.
I wasn't listening. Yes.
All right, and the last one. Which president had an alligator as a pet?
Actually,
It'd be Andrew Jackson. He was from down there.
go with Teddy Roosevelt.
Thomas Jefferson. It was a gift. Go ahead, tell
Oh,
It
no.
me.
was a
Roosevelt?
gift. It was a gift, but it wasn't Thomas
This
Jefferson.
is a time period.
Yeah.
Early presidents, like, I guess.
It's like 1700.
The first couple.
Wow. This is good. I appreciate
Lewis
this.
and Clark gave Thomas Jefferson a bear.
Who are we going with?
It's John Quincy Adams.
They had an alligator.
He was a president?
All right, thank you guys so much.
No, thank you.
I hope you all had a good Valentine's Day yesterday and all your first dates went better than this one.
Hey there, come meet me at the Curve Room for some Waffle House takeout. Love, your secret admirer, XOXO.
I do enjoy some Waffle House.
What? Where's everyone? Have a seat. How long is it gonna take? Hello?
Here you are, sir. Your date will be here shortly.
Thank you. When will they be here?
I was not aware of that. I'm sorry. Just wait here and he'll be here soon.
Okay, thank you. What? What?
Knock, knock.
So, where do you come?
I'll start the conversation around here. I just got out of prison. I'm 45 years old. And I want you so bad. I got pee. I'll see you later, cutie.
I need to leave. This guy's crazy. Oh.
Where you going?
Get away from me.
I am a woman. Damn it.
Even though I did run away from her, I never got away. She stalked me on social media for the rest of my life. Moral of the story is, if a girl wants to take you to Waffle House for your first date, run.
In the past few weeks, there have been several murders here in the theater at the high school. We snuck in after hours to see if we could find any clues as to who done it. So far, we've found
It's honestly getting kind of scary. I mean, We've been rehearsing for months now, and people just keep dying. But you know what they say, the show must go on.
I don't know. Ever since we started practicing, everyone has been really nervous and really on edge, like they've all committed some heinous crime or something.
It's been nothing but non-stop hysteria. 3, 4, 5, 6 murders, all in a short amount of time. I say we call this whole operation off.
Michael Sadler as Colonel Mustard, Caitlin Fromey as Mrs. White, Cameron Bach as Miss Peacock, Oliver Helming as Mr. Green, Colin McGowan as Professor Plum, and Yvette Calderon as Miss Scarlet. Do you know who done it? Come see Clue here at the Jasper High School Auditorium February 22nd to the 25th. Get tickets at ticketer.com/JHS Performing Arts.
That's it for Wildcat Weekly. Have a great day.